Hi, I'm Mika, 13, officially the curious one at home. My mom's a lawyer, and at dinner she tells me stories about Indian laws. I gobble the food and the facts. Today, copyright, aka don't copy my creation without permission. Did you know the minute you write a story, compose a song, or shoot a video, the law says it's yours? You don't have to register it anywhere. Copyright in India is automatic once your creation is real and original. So registration is optional, but it's handy proof if there's a dispute. But what does that mean? Simple. Only you or someone you give permission to can copy, share, remix, or sell your work. If someone else does that, that's infringement, and the law has your back. Copying without permission can be a crime. Punishment can include jail time and a fine. So ask first, credit always. Oh, and the internet has made things tricky. AI, online piracy, memes, remixes. The law is trying to catch up, with new rules for AI-generated content and digital rights management so no one can hijack your digital work. Fair use is a cool exception. You can use bits of copyrighted stuff for school, criticism, or news, but don't go overboard. And remember, copyright protects how you express an idea, not the idea itself. So my science project about black holes, the way I write it is protected. The facts about black holes, they're for everyone. The Indian Copyright Act, 1957, is the foundation, and there have been amendments to it time to time. In short, if you create, you control, just like my mom says. The law is changing, but the message is the same. Creativity deserves respect and protection. I'm Micah. See you in my next video with some more cool legal stuff.